what's up, Sam here. Today I'm very excited to introduce the latest e-bike series from Eleglide. The Eleglide T1 and T1 Step-thru trekking e-bikes, or touring e-bikes as some of you guys would call them. This series of e-bikes lets you pack your bag and go with the least worries so you can have more quality time with your family. I've been with them for some days now, and here's my review. I've already done an unboxing and assembly video a month ago. You can check it out from the link here. Basically, it's just like many other e-bikes I've assembled. There's nothing special you need to be paying extra attention to. If you are new to this kind of e-bike, I suggest you follow the instructions step by step. They have a very detailed multiple language manual, so you won't get it wrong. Regarding the design, I think the Eleglide T1 series is one of those few e-bikes that really wowed me. It looks just modern, elegant, and premium. Both bikes feature two large CST 20-inch large tires, each with a mechanical disc brake. The rear tire sports a 250 watts motor, enabling you to reach a max speed of 25 km/h. The 3.5-inch LCD screen is one of the largest I've seen on an e-bike. It clearly shows you the speed, battery life, and mode choice even under direct sunlight. The two e-bikes come with 7-gear Shimano derailleurs, which is not a surprise as many middle to high-end bikes would offer this. Both bikes come with a removable battery. This is a feature that everyone wants. And of course, for touring e-bikes, how can we miss the rack? You can put different bikes there whenever you go out camping or shopping. Since they are priced differently, you might wonder what's the difference between the two. First, of course, is the design. The T1 Step-thru is, as the name suggests, coming with this step-thru design. It's extremely easy to get on and off, especially for riders that don't have a complete range of motion, and it's particularly great for older riders or riders who have a difficult time lifting their leg over a traditional bike frame. There is an adjustable stem on the step-thru, so whenever you want to adjust the handlebars to have a more comfortable position, you can. Another difference, the Step-thru comes with a Sail Royal saddle. That's a big brand. You pay more, you get more, right? Those are big differences, others stay almost the same. For more info about the Eleglide T1 series, you can find out from the link in the description. Now about my riding experience. The 20-inch tires worked well at absorbing some bumps in the road. I felt comfortable and stable on those well-maintained city roads. And thanks to its dual shock absorption design on the front forks, it's smooth to ride on some high-impact or rough terrain like grassland and mountain trails. And since both wheels are fitted with a good quality mechanical disc brake, you can basically instantly stop it at any time, any situation you want. Pretty safe. Overall, it's a fun experience to ride around, and we enjoyed it a lot. Now my conclusion for the Eleglide T1 series. For me, there's a lot going for these e-bikes. I like the elegant and beautiful design. The rack is useful, perfect for short city journeys. Sometimes we just want to enjoy a short good picnic in the afternoon. We can simply pack and go. The battery is awesome. Both bikes offer an incredible battery life. If on pure electric mode, the range would be 50 km, and if on assist mode, the max range reaches 100 km. Most importantly, the battery is removable, so you can always charge it on the go or buy extra batteries to get more range. And the riding experience is fun, smooth, and safe. By the way, if you have difficulty choosing the T1 or the T1 Step-thru, my suggestion is if you are mostly using the bike to commute, and especially if you have to wear formal attire that may not be as flexible, this can include a men's suit or women's dress or skirt, then go get the Step-thru. It allows you to get on and off the bike with ease and without breaking a sweat. If you want to enjoy a more cycling experience, then the T1 is a great choice. Either way, you are going to love this lightweight, stylish, and well-performing Eleglide T1 series. It's worth the money as a car replacement for city dwellers with to enjoy short journey traveling or a daily commute. You know what to do. Thanks for watching. I'm Sammy. I'll see you in the next one.